Hey, Simply Easy Cooking fans! Today we're making barbecue chicken sliders. Saucy, cheesy, and easy. Let's get cooking. Begin by giving your crockpot a light spray of cooking spray to prevent sticking. Next, add 1 diced onion, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, and 1½ cups of Famous Dave's Devil's Spit barbecue sauce. Now, go ahead and give everything a good mix to combine it all together. Next, add 3 chicken breasts to the crock pot and mix them with the sauce to coat them evenly. Then, cover and cook on high for 4 hours. Once the chicken is cooked, shred it with 2 forks. In a small bowl, mix together ½ cup of melted butter, 2 teaspoons of minced garlic, and 2 tablespoons of parsley. Set the mixture aside. Next, in a casserole dish, spray with cooking spray to prevent sticking. Then, place the bottom buns of the Hawaiian rolls. Next, add the barbecue chicken on top of the bottom buns. Now layer some pepper jack cheese on top. Then, layer some thinly sliced red onions over the cheese. Now, place the top buns. Lastly, brush the melted butter over the top of the buns. Now, bake at 350 for 20 minutes. And just like that, your barbecue chicken sliders are ready to serve, cheesy, saucy, and perfect for any occasion. Be sure to subscribe and like for more delicious recipes. See you next time.